Hello everyone, today I am going to show you the recipe for this date syrup. Look how glossy, dark and thick it is, just like honey. So you can replace the honey in your recipes. So start making the date syrup by taking 1 cup of dates. You have to de-seed them now. So use a knife or something to remove the seeds from the dates. You have to do it with all the dates. So once you de-seed all the dates, you have to pour equal quantity of water, that is 1 cup of hot water, to these dates, and you have to keep them soaked for around 10 to 15 minutes. After 10-15 minutes of soaking, these dates will become tender or soft. Now you have to mash them well. Keep mashing till you are able to mix the pulp well into the water. Now with the help of a cheesecloth, try to extract this water by squeezing out the water from the pulp. Squeeze it well so that you are able to get as much as water as possible, since you have to discard the remaining pulp or the leftover pulp. Though you can use it in making some laddus or dry fruit burfis, etc. But actually it is not of much use because all the sweetness will go into the water. So the pulp or the extract which is left is actually not as sweet as the dates are. Now in a saucepan, just put it on a low to medium heat and cook this date syrup till it becomes a thick paste with a honey-like consistency. So keep stirring in between. Let it get boiled. So you need to stir it occasionally since you don't want it to stick to the bottom or burn. So see, it's getting thickened gradually. Now this is the type of consistency that you want. And once you let it cool at the room temperature, it will thicken further. So once you get a dark or a thick paste just like honey, you need to switch off the flame and let this syrup cool down to the room temperature. So just look at, it's becoming thicker and it will thicken more once it is at the room temperature. So guys, this is how you can make the date syrup. So for all those people who don't want to use honey because they want to go for only plant-based eating, or they like to be vegan, so they can easily make this date syrup at home and can use it as a sweetener in all kinds of desserts. So do try this out, and if you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel, Healthify You.